IPL, undoubtedly the most awaited sporting event not just in India but in the whole world. As being the most loving sport, it holds 6th position in all sports league. इतने बड़ी इवेंट को ऑर्गेनाइज करने में it is obvious that there is many things to learn from. So in this video we're gonna talk about how IPL creates its profit और इसमें advertisement का क्या रोल है. So this is Harsh and I welcome you to the Aware Tube. किसी भी इवेंट को ऑर्गेनाइज करने में कुछ एक्सपेंसेस तो लगते ही हैं. स्टेडियम रेंट, मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट, players and the supporting staff expenses are some of the point where the organizers need to spend money. Now coming back to the topic, the very first and the very major source of earning is the broadcasters and the media rights. ब्रॉडकास्टिंग राइट्स वो राइट्स होती है जिनके लिए एक ब्रॉडकास्टिंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और एक कमर्शियल कंपनी साथ में मर्ज करती है ताकि एक पर्टिकुलर प्रोग्राम या फिर एक पर्टिकुलर शो को टीवी पे टेलीकास्ट किया जा सके. Star India took this right for 5 years at a cost of rupees 163.475 billion. On comparing both the amounts, you will find that there is nearly about 158% of increase from the previous deal. This deal has also become the most expensive broadcasting rights deal in the history of cricket till date. IPL को लोग इतना ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं कि जब 2016 में सोनी मैक्स IPL को टेलीकास्ट करता था, तब eventually that channel became the most viewed channel in the country at the time of tournament. यहाँ तक कि उस चैनल का annual advertising revenue 12 मिलियन तक पहुँच गया था. The second source are the sponsors. Sponsors are also one of the major source of earning. So first let's talk कि sponsors होते क्या हैं. अगर सिंपल वर्ड्स में बोले तो स्पॉन्सर्स वो कंपनियां होती हैं जो कि किसी दूसरे ब्रांड या फिर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को फाइनेंशियली हेल्प करें. IPL के भी बहुत से स्पॉन्सर्स हैं, जैसे कि वीवो जो कि करेंटली टाइटल स्पॉन्सर है, पेटीएम अभी करेंटली अंपायर स्पॉन्सर है. These are some of the other sponsors of IPL. Now you must be thinking कि कोई भी कंपनी किसी दूसरे कंपनी को फाइनेंशियली क्यों हेल्प करेगी. ये सारी कंपनियां IPL को एडवर्टीजमेंट के पर्पस से स्पॉन्सर करती हैं, बिकॉज एवरीवन नोज दैट एडवर्टाइजिंग इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एक्टिविटी इन ऑर्डर टू प्रमोट योर कंपनी. जस्ट बिकॉज IPL को इतनी सारी कंपनियां स्पॉन्सर करती हैं, इसलिए IPL भी एडवर्टीजमेंट्स करने का कोई भी मौका नहीं छोड़ता. यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड अबाउट द CA टायर स्ट्रेटेजिक टाइम आउट, और या फिर ग्राउंड्स पे ऐसे कंपनीज के पोस्टर्स और लोगोज देखे होंगे. दीज ऑल आर अ पार्ट ऑफ एडवर्टाइजिंग. At IPL, each team plays 7 games at their home ground, and the prices of the ticket is decided only by the team owners. There is no role of BCCI in deciding the rate of the tickets. अब इन टिकट्स को बेच करके जो भी रेवेन्यू कलेक्ट होती है वो ऑर्गेनाइजर्स और दोनों प्लेइंग टीम्स में बढ़ जाती है. BCCI gets a very little portion of this amount. Approx 20% comes under BCCI and the other 80% belongs to the franchisees only. Then the next we have is the prize money. Prize money जो होती है वो organizers के through winning team और runner-up teams को provide की जाती है. This prize money consists of a single-digit percentage of the total broadcasting and the sponsorship cost. As this prize money is offered by the organizers, it goes in the hands of the team owners. Last year winners Mumbai Indians received 20 crore as the prize money, whereas the runner-ups Delhi Capital received 12.5 crore. The third and the fourth placed Sunrisers Hyderabad and Royal Challengers Bangalore received 8.75 crore each for reaching the playoffs. So the last source is the brand value. Brand value is the monetary worth of any brand. Brand value को इसलिए कैलकुलेट किया जाता है so that any other company will come to you and use your goodwill and identity to sell their own products and services. Brand value तभी कैलकुलेट की जाती है when a company is about to be sold and is about to be merged. IPL में every team has their own brand value through which they merge with different brands. Brands with which the team merges makes their advertisement visible on the player's jersey. Just like as you can see the Gulf Oil and the Muthoot Finance logo on the CSK jersey. So with this we have came to the end of this video. I hope you have enjoyed it and found it a knowledgeable one. So please Show your support by liking this video and subscribing to the AwareTube.